There's this conversation to be had in music education about deep versus wide. Do I go really deep into one thing and get really good at one thing, or go wide and try to learn a lot of different things? And in this video, I'm going to talk about what you should do, why, and show you an example of this in real time and how it can help. So the thing is, being it wide in learning a lot of different things is valuable for being able to have a lot of different skills, play a lot of different music, play with a lot of different people, a lot of different styles, etc. But if you're wide and shallow, it's going to take a lot of time to learn different songs. Maybe you say, I want to learn 100 different songs. If you never go deep into one of those songs, each song you learn is going to take a lot of energy and a lot of time and a lot of effort. And what I've found and what I want to share with you is that if you can go really deep into one thing and gain mastery over something small and something simple, it gives you the ability to go wide much easier. Think about it like imagine you have a laser pointing at like a field, whatever. It's kind of abstract. And your ability to learn music is the strength of the laser. So somebody who is really good at learning music, who understands music deeply and can pick up music quickly, they have a really thick, girthy laser. Their laser can cover a lot of ground really quickly. Whereas somebody who doesn't have that has a very thin laser, has a very tiny, weak laser. It takes a long time for the laser to actually blast the ground that they want to cover. So if you going deep into something is strengthening that laser, making that laser stronger. And the reason I can just hear a song and play it almost immediately, the reason I can transcribe something really quickly or fit in a lot of different settings is because I've spent a lot of time going deep into certain songs. I can remember, especially in high school and college, spending hours and hours and hours and hours transcribing piano solos from people like Horace Silver and Thelonious Monk and Wynton Kelly. I spent hours and hours and hours with the metronome, playing a bebop song really slow, playing a Bach etude really slow, playing rhythms with the metronome really, really slow. I spent hours just playing a 2-5-1 over and over again until I had it locked in, taking a riff and putting it through different keys. And so the thing is that a lot of students I have and people I see, they want to have this wide understanding of music, but they never truly go really deep into something. What could that look like? Well, that could look like a million different things, but one thing that was on my mind this morning is taking one phrase from a song and making sure you know that phrase inside and out. Make sure you know that phrase forward, backwards, upside down, left, right, in any key. So, for example, let's look at the first phrase of Ornithology. Ornithology is a bebop song by Charlie Parker, and it starts like this. So first of all, just making sure I can play that effortlessly. Can play it fast, can play it slow. Can play it kind of without thinking about it. Notice I can play it without looking. Confident in my fingering on it. One way to get deeper into that is say, well, could I play that in other keys? Could I play it if I go up a fourth, play it in C? Nice. Can I go up another fourth? Can I play it in B flat? Can I play it in E flat? Now we're in B. Back to G. Being able to play just that first lick of the song. Ornithology is a 32 measure song, and that's like 6 beats, so measure and a half right there. Focusing, spending time saying, I'm going to work on that and get that real strong. Then I'm going to take that lick and see if I can expand it. Try it different ways. Try to take that musical idea and squeeze all the essence out of it I can. Boo doo ba doo ba doo ba doo ba doo boo. Maybe I sing it. Kind of free-flowing stream of conscious here, but I just want to show you that a lot of people, I think they're like, oh, I played the right notes, I'm good. It's like, well, did you play the right notes and own it? Do you really understand? For example, on this, it's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1. Are you confident that that's outlining a G major chord? Do you know you could use that over a G major chord? You could also play that over an E minor chord. You could also play it like over like a D minor chord. It's kind of a crazy sound. Do you understand how to play it fast and slow? Can you put it in different keys? And can you dig deep into the music? And I found that a lot of people, truthfully, when they practice in a shallow way. They play something until they got it once. They play something until it's good enough. And if you want to get really good at music, you have to get obsessed with the minutia. You have to say, I'm going to learn this in a really profound way. I'm going to own this. I'm going to become, my buddy Isaiah says, I'm going to become a force of nature on the first two measures of ornithology. And if you have that mentality when you go into practicing music of saying, I'm going to master this. I'm going to dominate this. I'm going to be so good at this that when I play two notes, people are going to go, who is that guy? Wow. That's how you start to build that laser of learning music, where when you want to get wide, when we want to say, I want to learn 30 songs, you go, oh, I have the tools to learn songs quickly. My fingers, my ears, my mind is connected, and I can learn music fast, create music fast, and be somebody with a wide understanding of music. It starts by going deep. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the link in my description so you can learn how you can dig into piano even more.